I've been running online ads for over 8 years now, managing over $15 million in ad spend. In this video, I will break down the best online ad strategies for local businesses.
Best of everything. The best.
Whether you run a hair salon, nail salon, restaurant, gym, or any other local spots. These tips will help you attract more customers and grow your business. Let's dive right in. So before we get started, let's talk about why online ads are such a game changer for local businesses. Whether it's people searching for services nearby or scrolling through their favorite social media apps, online ads let you meet your customers whether they are already spending their time. The beauty of online ads is that they are measurable, scalable, and when done right, incredibly cost effective. So if you've been thinking about trying online ads for your local store, now it's the time to get started. Let's start with Google Ads. If you run a local business, Performance Max campaigns should be your go-to. These campaigns help you show up across Google's entire ecosystem: search, maps, YouTube, and more, all in one place. Here is how to set it up for success. Number 1, photos and videos. Add high quality photos of your services. If you offer different categories, make sure to cover them all. Include at least one YouTube video explaining your store, your staff, and your services. People love seeing what they can expect before they visit. It definitely builds trust. Number 2 is about headlines and descriptions. That's where keywords matter. Think about what people search for when they need your services and include those words in your ad copy. And you can use Google's own tools for that. Number 3, promotions. Google lets you add promotion in your campaigns for specific timelines. This works really well for attracting new customers. For example, a beauty shop could offer free brushing with their hair coloring on Tuesdays. Be creative with your offers. People love deals that stand out. And number 4 is about location targeting. This is crucial for your local store. Set your location targeting based on where your customers are likely to come from. At $20 daily budget works well for targeting your district or region. This can get you about 10 to 15 calls a day and a decent number of people walking into your store every day. Don't go too narrow or too broad, as I said. If your targeting is too wide, you will get customers from far away, which is not ideal. If it's too limited, you won't see enough results to match your budget. Once you have set this up and it's running smoothly, let it do its thing for a few weeks. You will start seeing consistent results later. Once you have your Google Ads in place, it's time to focus on Instagram. This is a fantastic platform for local businesses to showcase what makes them unique. Start by posting reels, short, engaging videos that highlight your business. These can show off your services, give behind-the-scenes looks, or feature customer testimonials. Don't stress about going viral right away. The key is to be consistent and connect with your community. After a month, check which reels perform best. Look at things like comments, shares, likes, and follower growth. These are the ones you should boost. Boosting your best performing reel is a great way to grow your followers, get more messages, or drive traffic to your website. When boosting, make sure to set your location targeting and keep your daily budget reasonable. Something like a $10 a day in your city is a great starting point on Instagram boosting. This strategy will increase your profile visits and followers almost instantly.
Pointy.
So here is a tip. Don't try to do everything at once. Focus on one platform, test what works, and then expand. And don't give up too soon. Online ads take time to build momentum, but the results are worth it. And if you found this helpful, let me know in the comments what kind of businesses you run, and I will tailor my next video to your niche. Don't forget to like and hit the subscribe to Daily Commerce YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a good day.